Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into App Store. Connect with an admin or the account holder account. That role gives you the controls you need. Once signed in, make sure there are no pending agreements, active test flight releases, or unresolved payments that block actions. Then open the exact app record in My Apps and locate the left-hand sidebar. From here you begin. Select the app, check its current status, and proceed to the Pricing and Availability section to perform the first removal action. Once in Pricing and Availability, change availability to not available across all territories if you want a full removal. Choose specific countries if partial. Make sure you also disable and remove any in-app purchases and subscriptions, because those can keep the app from being deleted later. After altering availability, save and submit changes. This takes effect faster than deletion and removes the app from the store while retaining its record. Make sure to document the change so team members know. To finish, decide. Keep the app record but keep it off sale, or delete it permanently from app information if there are no associated builds, in-app purchases, or pre-orders. If deletion is blocked, resolve those dependencies first, remove IAPs, cancel pre-orders, and expire builds, then try again. If the app still won't delete after waiting a day, contact Apple Developer Support with your app ID and screenshots. They can explain specific account or agreement issues and clear the final roadblocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.